In a world of circuits and code, where emotions take a digital hold, we dance to the rhythm, harmony in our souls, lose ourselves in the electronic flow. The piano keys unlock a new dimension, colors colliding, a psychedelic invention. CoPilot beats, our hearts start to race, exploring the unknown, the digital chase. Welcome to the